rest of us. Dibby, thank you for the 5 gifted. That's so kind of you. Oh no, my foot fell asleep. My foot fell asleep. Oh no, it feels like 1,000 needles. No. Oh no. Oh, I don't want to move it. I don't want to move my foot. The pins and needles. The pins and needles. You gotta shake it. No, because then that gets all tingly. I don't like the tingly. Okay. It's not as bad as I thought it was. It's still pretty bad. Still pretty bad. Not the TV static. I know, it feels like TV static. But it wakes it up. Oh, I don't like that. Massage it? Okay, fine, I'll massage it. Okay, that's the worst. Slap it awake? I don't think that works. I think the best thing is just to, like, put it down against the floor and leave it there. It does actually? Really? It makes it just so much worse, though. I'm sorry, but for laughing, I mean, if you're having fun, then all the more power to you, but I am not enjoying this. No, oh, no, I hate this. That sucks. That's bad. That's terribly no good and very bad. Okay, it's better. It's better. Crisis averted. Oh, that sucks. I was so comfy, too. How unfortunate. There was one time when I was sitting in my chair in such a strange way where, like, that's one thing you gotta understand about me. The longer I sit in my chair on my free time, the further I slide down in it. I'm one of those people. Sorry that you had to find out this way. But there was one time when I was sitting like that, and I don't know why. I think I just might have relaxed certain muscles or whatever. But even though, like, I wasn't, like, folding my legs or anything, they still both fell asleep right underneath my kneecap. That specific area went numb. So when I tried standing up, my legs were just folding. I straight up could not walk because it was just numb, completely fallen asleep. So I had to get on my knees and crawl out of my booth to my living room, to my bed, and wait for them to wake up. It was a humbling experience. I couldn't walk. I couldn't stand on my legs. Boomer knee? Okay, no, that's not what it is. It just fell asleep, I assure you. How does that even happen? I don't know. I wasn't even folding my legs or anything. I was just sitting in a weird way.